friends. So two things I will be discussing in this video. Number one, an update regarding my online 3 batch. We have already started our online 3 batch and we have completed 1 week of curriculum. However, there are still few seats vacant. In case any one of you are still in a dilemma and want to participate in the online courses, you can ring me up for your admissions. Okay, now coming to the second important announcement, and that's the main reason for making this video. I would like to bring your attention to the notification which was issued by the Indian Railways on 18th of May 2021, where it had mentioned, in case you want to book a ticket for the special trains, then what will happen? A pop-up window will come up and over there you will be asked whether you agree to the quarantine protocol or not. You have to click the quarantine protocol option. Yes, I agree to that proposal. Only then you will be allowed to book a ticket. Okay, now what I expect very soon from the month of September, October, when we will be booking the special trains, one more pop-up window will come up and a question will be asked to us regarding the vaccine protocol. Are you vaccinated? Yes or no? In case you are not vaccinated, then you may not be allowed to book railway tickets. How is this relevant with the CU entrance exam? As I have mentioned, from the month of September or October, we know that the HS results, ISC results and CBSC results are not yet out. So the Calcutta University Law entrance exams, like all other competitive exams, may be postponed to the month of September. And when you give your exams in the month of September, then you may be asked, are you still vaccinated or not? In case you are not vaccinated, then you may not be allowed to sit for the entrance exams, because by the month of September, October, the vaccination has already started. So we want you to get vaccinated as early as possible. So this will be a very important suggestion to all the students who are sitting for the CU Law entrance exam, as well as simultaneously preparing for other competitive exams, to get vaccinated as soon as possible, so that you are not barred from sitting in any competitive exams in the future. So the suggestion would be, get yourself vaccinated as soon as possible, prepare well, study well, give a great exam. That will be all, my friends. Thank you.